All right, so this is the seller I purchased, the laundry ball orb, and as you can see, I paid $5.99 for one. If you buy two, it's $5.69 each, and if you buy three, it's $5.63 each. Had I been a little more diligent in seeking the best price, you have this buyer, seller, which I think is the same person, worth buyer, selling for $3.89 each if you buy one, and the price goes down to $3.70 if you buy two and $3.62 if you buy three or more. So that's worth buyer. Now here's a price for the unsavvy shopper. Amazon, and they want $42.99 for one pack, which means one. So I think there's a big discrepancy there in the prices. $42.99 versus $3.89. I mean, this is called Wash Wizard. The other one's Echo Magic Laundry Ball Orb. They basically have the same components. And it's right there, the Bio Ceramic Cleaning Power. So yeah, sensitive to the skin, no harsh chemicals or toxins, kills bacteria, odor. And this one here says it lasts up to 1,500 washes, which is approximately 5 years worth of washes. Well, if that's true, it's saving a lot of money. Okay, everybody, just got my Echo Magic Laundry Ball Orb in the mail, and made in China, of course. Gonna put this through the test. Supposedly no detergent required to wash your clothes. Just put this baby inside your washer, which is, they say, is made for any washer, and you wash your clothes 1,000 times. Let's see. All right, so I got my work clothes in here, and you know, they smell. They're dirty. But just to make sure, just to make sure, I got this rag, and I'm gonna check the oil in my car. There you go, nice oil stain. And throw this in here with a couple other stains, right? Be like a tester. And here it is, first wash out of what they say 1,000. Let's give it a shot, and I'll give you the answer as soon as it's done. Let's see, a lot of skepticism. I'm gonna go for this rag right here. Holy smoke. See, I gotta tell you, this stuff here was already on here before, but that oil is gone. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Let me. Smells clean. Yep, smells clean. And there's the little bowl. And they say this is safe for all washing machines. All right, so far so good. Now, can't do a video testing for 1,000 washes, but this is my first wash and I'm pretty impressed. No laundry detergent whatsoever, just this ball. Cool. Maybe you want to try it, but remember the prices are different. I paid $5 and change, but they sell us for $42. I'll show you in a minute. All right, so this is like my 57th wash. Yes, I've been keeping track. And I got some rags that's been getting dirty and dirtier and dirtier. And I'm gonna throw that in the wash and see. I already put the ball in. Put it in here and see what happens. It's number 57 wash. And I'm gonna pull out these rags because these rags were bad. This one was super stained for a while, so they didn't get that out. I mean, don't get me wrong. They're a little stained, but they seem clean. Got one more in here. Where's my bowl? There's the bowl. Okay, so we gotta make a comparison here. These were really, really stained. I guess, you know, they're not going to be able to get all the stains out. Especially when I use them for automotive. They smell clean though. All right, this is number 93, 93, laundry experiment with the miracle ball. And yesterday, I was messing around with a car and I got some power steering fluid here and some of the dirt over here. I don't know how that happened. Anyway, let's put it in there. You know. All right, it's done. Let's see where those shorts are. Those are these. Yeah, it was these. These. What happened? They disappeared. Maybe it was these. Yeah, it was these. Look. That power steering fluid is gone. And so is that other smear that was over here. Well, it actually takes out power steering fluid. Wow. Is that amazing or what? I'll put the shorts in the dryer.